a friend of me. Can't see what you say, or be like what you bet. Okay, what's your name? You a friend of me. You be dead to me. Don't need no referee. Yeah, oh, okay, okay. Pulling tricks off low-key. Okay, okay. Leave myself a coke. Hella smoke it. BC summer, hole. Yeah, they know me. Looking fire, low-key.
I just got that cadence. Running game, no basics. Why they be so basic and so complicated? Get your education. Rappers on probation. Pricey like it's Cajun. A+ like I'm Asian. Yeah, I got the clues. Blues clothes. Why you looking fresh? New shoes. What you wanna eat? You choose. Do you have the sauce? Used to. Yeah, I got the clues. Blues clothes. Why you looking fresh? New shoes. What you wanna eat? You choose. Do you have the sauce? Used to.
Okay, what's your name? You a friend of me. Can't see what you say, or be like what you bet. Okay, what's your name? You a friend of me. You be dead to me. Don't need no referee. Yeah, oh, okay, okay. Pulling tricks off low-key. Okay, okay. Need myself a coke. Hella smoke it. BC summer, hole. Yeah, they know me. Looking fire, low-key.
Why you switching up? Ring and pick it up. Only hit me up when you need a buck.
Dark outside, I need a ride. I wanna show you love. Are you there when times are tough and pushes comes to shove? That's what I thought, shit. Don't need that thought shit. You know how I'm tight, shit. I don't ever plot shit. I'm on my own and I just wanna go and I just wanna go, shit. You hit in my mind like I don't even know what you want, shit. Okay, what's your name? You a friend of me. Can't see what you say, or be like what you bet. Okay, what's your name? You a friend of me. You be dead to me. Don't need no referee. Yeah, oh, okay, okay. Pulling tricks off low-key. Okay, okay. Need myself a coke. Hella smoke it. BC summer, hole. Yeah, they know me. Looking fire, low-key.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood. Flow is flowing good, like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said I could. Showing up the class studying, I try to make good. I am from the West, but I'm not talking Clint Eastwood, yeah. I was thinking about these times, 2 a.m. in my room, creating music with some rhymes. I was feeling divine, third place took a lot to reach the finish line. But now I'm here, love your Shakespeare. Try to talk one-on-one, but motherfuckers always in their fit. That's a watching down, looking at the fucking atmosphere. Gucci, they be prophetess. He's white and he's speaking fast as see an auctioneer. But I get it, I fit in, I beat it, a motherfucker wanna murder that beat. But I get it, I spreading out credit, I get it from Reddit, I read it from Reddit, I get it repetitive, feeling offended, I look at my words again, wanna start shit again. Really wanna start shit again, really wanna start shit again. Run it back to all of those days, in your bedroom, recruiting for phase. Eating some chips, they were always lazy, fantasizing about buying some drinks, but you got no money to pay. Ask mom, she said this is her face, you certain days, eating donuts, they were always glazed, shit. Shoes fresh like an apple off a tree. Red ones costing me like 15k rupees. Dark gloomy days, need some vitamin C. Took a long time to get back into this reality. Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, one place and now I'm falling from grace. Please don't trip, watch your step. You better tie your shoelace. Look at that girl, 90-degree angle. Human race trying to get some real look suck from me, but poker face. Like, what are you trying to do? Yeah, fit in and step in the shoes. Yeah, but how is that welcome for you? Yeah, apply but get no one to view. Yeah, now you're almost 22. Yeah, taking in no avenue. Yeah, that's a sneak preview. Yeah, of the life you been living. No cooking, no kitchen. Young 60 for mission, flowing out in attention. Ambition, not scheming, pushing like a piston. Cold out in the midnight, colder than attention. Fight like it's a ticket, get bitches, stop dishes. I made a decision. Do you see that vision? Back to those days when songs are actually written by the artists. Now they are all this shit.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Perfect.
Ten so dark you cannot see who I'm riding with. Diamond glisten all up in my watch, can't tell what time it is. Diamond clusters all up in my watch, they got you blind and shit. I tied a beat up, then I fucking yeah, I'm on some violent shit. Woo! Don't wanna tell you again. Woo! I might tell the bitch to bring a friend. Drop the top and open up the roof, now that's a quick stop. Only real diamonds round my pink, you got on ring pops. Cartier around my fucking wrist, take off that wristwatch. Crew is something serious, don't mess with us, you hearing this. Thinking you gon' make it to the top, man, you delirious. I'm only spitting real shit, I'm only writing facts. And yeah, I swear I gotta take the weight up off my back. I got all of the shit that's on my chest, but I'm still killing it. I'm kinda tipsy, falling over, hold my cup, I'm spilling it. You spill out your whole heart, I don't have a man that's black. And fuck all of this shit, if it's whack, I don't want that. I don't have any kids, but I swear I am your father. I'm cooking up the work and then I'm calling up your daughter. Father, motherfucker, started staying quiet. Bench players always talking and they hating. I'm a fucking spawn of Satan. Listen, it's what I'm regurgitating. Moon illuminating, I'm insane and got a pistol too. Name a person who listens, you, I'm handing out these lessons. I don't care, shit get physical. The way I use my tongue, I need a mop up in this bitch. The way you use your hands, you need new socks up in this bitch. I swear I gotta love T-Town, I lock up in this bitch. I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I got it. Yeah, I'm back on my shit though. I hold a lot of people down like a limbo. Yeah, I fucked your girl, she a nympho. At least for this D, she take a knee like Kaepernick. I'm snapping pics, I'm popping off. My swagger just call it hot sauce. I got a lot of bitches on my dick, I knock them off. I'm getting pissed, please knock it off. I'm popping off now. The way I run my city, swear I got this whole town. I lock up in this bitch, this is not up for discussion. I don't talk, man, I just does it. And my vision getting fuzzy, cause if you just drink what I drink, if you saw what I see, my eyes always stay red, cause I don't fuck with all that voziness and currency. When I step up in the function, my girl on my back always swear I'm up to something. Well, maybe I am, I'm always lying. She always crying, I'm buying because I'm flying. Maybe I'm biased to getting money, this ain't even funny. You a joke though, I got her legs up and my hands are in her throat. Ho, she love it, I know she love it. Fuck easy does it, you can clearly see it's me, that's ANT who always does it. I'ma talk all of my shit, I'ma break all of you down. I'ma fly up and get lit, you can hate all of my sound, but I would never give a shit. Too high to feel so down, too high to feel so down. Feel so down, feel so down, down. Yeah, you know I'm running now. Fuck a check up and I'm still counting hundreds now. My next feature's gonna run you up a couple thou. You should know I'm fucking round, man, I think I'm bugging now.
a spell. Try like a drought. I'm gunning them out, bitch. Yeah. Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Going to the top, Kobe with the shot. Cooking like a pot, yeah, this shit is hot. Popping like a kernel, I was never taught. CBA, never said. I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a raise, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah, CBA, never say. I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a raise, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah, she tell me just do it cause I'm checked up. Now they hit my phone, say I'm next up. I don't play no games, no tech trust. I don't got no time, I'm invested. Now she call me B, just like Rick without the A. Now she wanna eat, but I told her that I ate. Ain't no referee, but I see it in your face. If you wanna check, then you gotta keep your space. I'ma take another shot. Drop the album, did it flop. Flow contagious, chicken pox. Got too many songs to drop. Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Going to the top, Kobe with the shot. Cooking like a pot, yeah, this shit is hot. Popping like a kernel, I was never taught. CBA, never say.